This a girl that took up this a boy up America there and him kill her last night and go give up himself.
Stalin Nation. This is Jermaine Jones, aka better known as Fresh Cash. And this might be the last time you guys ever hear from me because a sad, very sad and a very perturbed encounter just happened between me and my wife. And I fucking snap. When I say I snap, I snap. Wani, I don't remember your real name, but you go by here as God bless or God something. I made a reason over and over. I try to walk away from the situation numerous of times, but tonight I couldn't do it. It overcome me and the devil power me. The Lord did not try me and I walk away, I try to walk away, but the devil keep coming at me and the devil overcome me to succumb. So this might be the last time y'all ever hear from me, but to sift me. Right, I might be in a grave tomorrow, I might be in a jail, but this is the last time y'all gonna hear from me. I'm one of you know, so yo, Fresh Cash, love the Starlings Nation, Bailey, AJ, O'Reilly, Steve, Kemar, Jay, Poochie, Blacks, President, every fucking body. The ladies them big up on herself, but it might be the last time when you ever hear from me. So with this little time when me have whoever get this fight now and can give me a call for hear my voice the last time, give me a call because this is gonna be the last time when you ever hear from me. And much love, much respect and everything. You understand? But Cash was here. I'm gonna make a mark. But this is it. It's my destiny. It's my journey right here. Love is Starlings Nation. Them. Big up on yourself. One love. Shock. The Vibes crew. Big up yourself, my general. Jaya. You understand? Gavin. Matumbe. Me always a mix up your name. Chin. The whole works. Big up on the damn self. Tropical team. Jamal, Jamel, big up on yourself. Big up the whole Georgia Supreme Cricket League. It was a pleasure and an honor playing with you guys and serving. Mr. Skinner, big up yourself, MCC. Mark, Sheldon, Jimmy, Junior. The whole works. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. But as this be my last note to them want to know, so yo, I always got their own true spirit, strength and health. Bless up on yourself. Alright? It was a pleasure knowing you all and serving with you all. Alright?